Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making trading possible. Buy premium so your account is eligible, and then enable trading in privacy settings. Once done, confirm you own tradable items, limiteds, or accessories, and check their tradable status. Make sure your Robux balance is visible if you plan to use currency in offers. You do this now because without premium and tradable assets, you can't proceed. After these steps, open the profile of the person you want to trade with, and you now build the offer. Open the target's profile, choose trade items, and a two-sided window appears. Add the items you'll give and the items you want, and enter any Robux in the currency field. This changes the offer balance. Use the value panel to compare rarity, demand, and recent sale prices so you make a fair trade. Once satisfied, write a short note explaining the swap. This reduces disputes and speeds acceptance. Then click Send Offer to lock it in. You finish by monitoring the pending trade. If they accept, items exchange automatically. If they counter, review their changes and decide quickly. Accept a counter if values match your goal or propose a new offer. If they decline, ask why and adjust. If the trade won't go through, check 3 common issues. The item may not be tradable, one of you lacks premium, or account trade restrictions exist. If that's the problem, resolve it and retry. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.